Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is how to calculate the area of this rectangle. How can we solve this? Let the radius of this large circle is x and the radius of this small circle is y. The radius of this medium circle is z. Then this will be also x and this will be also z. Now from the question we can write x plus y equal to 3, y plus z equal to 2 and x plus z equal to 4. Let this is equation 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Now subtract equation 2 from 1, so we will get x minus z equal to 1. Let this is equation 4. Now add equation 3 and 4, so x plus z equal to 4. These are cancelled and 2x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 by 2 or x equal to 2.5. Now x is 2.5. So from equation 1 we can write y equal to 0.5 and from equation 3 we can write z equal to 1.5. Now this length is x and this length is also x. So this length, the width of this rectangle is 2x and 2x equal to 5. So this length is 5. Now we need to calculate this length. If we draw this line, so this length is x, the radius of this large circle, and this length is z. But how to calculate this length? If we draw this line and this line, now if we see this length is x and this length is z. So this length is x minus z and x is 2.5 and z is 1.5. So this length is 1. Now this length is 1 and this length x plus z. X plus z is 4. So we can calculate this length. Let this is a. How to calculate a? By Pythagoras theorem, we can write a equal to square root of 4 square minus 1 square and a equal to square root of 15. So this length is, let this is L, this is equal to x is 1 point, x is 2.5 plus a is square root of 15 and z is 1.5. So this is equal to 4 plus square root of 15. Now the area is equal to 5 into 4 plus square root of 15. If we simplify this, this is equal to 20 plus 5 square root of 15. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.